Hello and welcome to this course. This course is, this is a brief introduction as to what this course is and what this course is not. Most family law training fails for one simple reason. It teaches people what family court is supposed to be like, not what it actually is. This program was built from the opposite premise. Court ready in 30 days is not legal theory. It's not a rights-based course. It's not a motivational program, a trauma dump, or a tell your story exercise. It's a strategic training system designed to teach you how family court in England and Wales really operates at a psychological, procedural, and institutional level. Now that distinction matters because most people don't lose in family court due to a lack of evidence or lack of care for their children or a lack of sincerity. They lose because they misunderstand the system they are standing in. Core problem this course solves. Family court is widely misunderstood as a truth-finding forum. It isn't. In practice, it operates as a risk management environment whose primary functions are to minimize institutional liability and appeal exposure, protect professional decision-making pathways, maintain procedural momentum, and manage caseload pressure. Truth matters, but only after perceived risk is contained. Most training programs ignore this. They ignore this reality and it's like the elephant in the room. They focus on knowing your rights, emotional validation, abstract legal principles, fairness arguments, all of which feel reassuring and are strategically useless in live proceedings. This course does not reassure you. It repositions you. How this course is different. Firstly, it teaches the system as it operates, not as it advertises itself. Traditional courses teach statute, case law, summaries, idealized judicial reasoning. This course teaches how narratives are formed, why Kafka's opinions carry disproportionate weight, how judges actually think under appeal, and safeguarding pressure, why delay, compliance, and tone routinely outweigh evidence. You are trained to see the machinery, not the brochure. Secondly, it prioritizes risk, not emotion. Most people are trained to express emotion clearly and authentically. In family court, that is often fatal. This program trains you to eliminate emotional static from communication, translate your position into risk-aware language, present as the institutionally safe choice. You are not trained to suppress emotion. You are trained to discipline it. Thirdly, it treats family court as a behavioral system. Court orders are not moral judgments. They are behavioral control mechanisms. This course teaches you to analyze orders for what they actually do, not what they claim to do. Identify who an order constrains, protects, or insulates. Accept, resist, or shape orders strategically rather than emotionally. This is not about winning arguments. It's about shaping outcomes over time. Fourth, it is structured as daily operational training, not passive learning. Each day in this course consists of a short conceptual lesson of precise reframing how to think, a non-optional practice task that forces application. You do not consume this course, you train with it. Understanding without application is useless in family court. This course does not allow that escape. Fifth, it builds long-game strategic competence. Most people fight family court as a series of emergencies. This course trains you to think in 3-month, 6-month, 12-month horizons. You learn how interim arrangements harden into permanent ones. Credibility is built through consistency, not arguments. Short-term concessions can unlock long-term gain. You stop reacting, you start positioning. And who is this course for? Well, this course is for people who want clarity, not comfort, effectiveness, not validation, control over their behavior, tone, and strategy. It is particularly suited to litigants in person, those facing Kafkas, those dealing with allegations, safeguarding concerns, or delay professionals supporting others through family proceedings. It is not for people looking to vent, fight the system emotionally, or seek fairness as a primary strategy. The promise and the limit. This course does not promise justice. It promises competence, predictability, strategic clarity, psychological control in family court. These 4 things change outcomes more reliably than truth, anger, or hope ever will. If you complete this course properly, you will not be louder, more emotional, or more indignant. You will be court ready, and that is what actually works.